Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vishal. Your headphones have stereo audio issue. I am here to guide you how to fix or manage just now. Don't need to go anywhere or buy things and those don't have headphones for you. I have free stereo check audio after the discussion. What are stereo? Now listen. What are you just realize? The effect, sound left, right movement, feeling you around it. These are stereo. Now, how this problem occurs in earphones, causing left or right earphones sound quality and intensity. This is because of you use earphones for so long time. Many times battery battery capacity capacitor or dust blocking sound holes and low quality speaker diaphragms.